a devotee by name Ramaswamy, a worshipper of Mahavishnu, who would chant at times Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, and at times Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar. But many, many times when in difficulty, it is only Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar that would come to him. So much so that it became constantly dancing on his tongue. It began to dance on his tongue. And he lives in utter poverty. A painter by profession, unless called for work, he would not be able to earn anything. But somehow he managed. And with all that, he would also sometimes visit some holy places. Once he decided to visit Pandharipur with 2 other friends. He borrowed some money and took one magazine of Sharanagatam with a huge picture of Bhagavan on that and left. And there, after the darshan, he also collected some water in a can in order to bring it to the ashram here for Abhishekam to Bhagavan Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar's Murti. So they arrived at Sholapur Junction. They kept the water and their bags. He also bought 10 jalras. He put them together and then they put all their bags. The bag had black color, so black colored bags were there, and then they went to sleep. And suddenly he woke up with some noise he heard somehow. He woke up to find that all these black bags of all the 3 of them were stolen by a thief, and the thief was running away. He was shocked, shouted Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, and began to run also. But he lost him. The thief was out of sight, and it was dark everywhere. There was a train also standing on the other side. He did not know where to find him. He just kept on running, shouting Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar. He came almost to the edge of the platform, and there was an old man there. He said, "What happened? You have lost your black bag?" It was very specific. He said, yes, we had just kept it there, went to sleep, and this man had stolen that, and we don't know where he is. And that old man smiled and said, "Your black bag is coming there." He pointed to a place, and then he saw the thief coming, running, with all those bags there. And the minute he shouted Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, our Ramaswamy shouted Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar with such excitement that thief fell down. And all those bags were scattered around. And Ramaswamy was bent upon finding his own black bag because it contained Bhagavan's magazine, Sharanagatam, with Bhagavan's picture, and also the jalras. Anyway, the jalras were making noise while it fell down, so he could easily spot it, and he took it. And then he took out this magazine also, Sharanagatam, and immediately 10-15 people had gathered there, and the policemen also came, and they caught the thief. So the thief was caught, and what was more, people began to see what this man was looking at excitedly, and then they recognized, "Oh, Babaji, Babaji, Babaji." And Sri Ramaswamy assured, even today, that picture of Bhagavan is hung there in the railway station. And so he returned with his bag, and others also took their bags. And then 2 days after the Jayanti of Bhagavan, the function was taking place in the ashram, he wanted to come and bring, he wanted to bring the Chandrabhaga water for Abhishekam. So early morning he woke up, had a bath, and then decorated the feet of Bhagavan in his house, and started. He persuaded his son to take him by cycle and fast because the bus was at 3:50 early morning. The boy was trying to drive the cycle as fast as he could, but still, when they reached, it was past 4 o'clock, and our Ramaswamy thought the bus would have gone. And he felt very bad, and just at the time the bus entered the bus stand, and that is when he learned there was some repair, some breakdown of the bus, so they had to repair it and then bring it. So it was late, and it came only at 4:15. So immediately he was so happy again because he was chanting Bhagavan's Namo all the way in order to catch the bus. So Bhagavan delayed the bus so that he could board the bus comfortably. And when he came to the ashram, when there was this program of sharing of experiences with Bhagavan by the devotees, he narrated this incident. It was very touching because he said he had borrowed again another 100 rupees to come to Thiruvannamalai, that he did not have money at all. Every time Swami gives some money to somebody to come here. And that because of his nama, he is surviving, his whole family surviving. And he said, Bhagavan never let him down. So with this in mind, we shall appeal to the generosity, compassion of Bhagavan